In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can remove the background from an image. And this is a virtual image. It's a virtual character from a real engine, MetaHuman. So we're going to remove the background easily and really fast, really quick, really simple, and especially free using Creative Cloud. So what you're seeing here, this is the Creative Cloud app that I already downloaded and installed, and it's in Italian. This is the button right here when you have like the quick functions or quick actions to remove the background. But I'm gonna go and show you all the steps. So first step, you need to download and install Adobe Creative Cloud. So just type download and install Creative Cloud from Google. You get the link here. You click, download it, install the using the setup file, and then just open up and you're good to go. You need to have Adobe account, of course, and this is the home page that how it's visualized right now, but this could change, and also of course you're gonna have it in your language. And here usually you have the possibility to access Adobe Express and then to perform quick actions, as we said, and use the generative AI Adobe Firefly. So you can use artificial intelligence, and I believe also this background removal is kind of a artificial intelligence tool. Now on the left side you have a toolbar, and at the bottom you have this little rocket icon that's for the quick action, and these are the quick actions available at the moment. And you can see this one here is the background removal feature. So if you click there, you can access that specific action. Otherwise, you can resize the image. You can convert the image in various formats like GIF or MP4. You can cut videos, you can unite videos, you can resize videos, you can generate QR codes, and that's it for now. Maybe they will add more of these features in the future. So what I want is this one here, remove the background. You can also search it. It's this purple icon here, and you click in there. It's gonna open this really self-explanatory panel when you can click and then just get the image that you want by navigating in your Windows Explorer or your Mac or whatever operative system you're using, or you can also drag and drop directly. So it's really simple and really fast. So I will select an image here. To do this properly, you need like a background and a foreground, so you can cut out the character or whatever it's in the foreground, and you can completely remove what's behind, what's in the background. So you need to find here an image that it's proper. Like I'm gonna use this, which are some screenshots of Unreal Engine and MetaHuman character. And if you're interested in that, you can check other videos on Unreal Engine that we have in the channel, or you can check also other possibilities to remove background using masks, cutout, etc. So drag and drop, and the job is done. You don't need to do anything here. That's all automatic, nothing manual. If you want to be more professional, if you want to continue once you have the removed background here, well, once you have the image, which is going to be a PNG with the alpha channel for the deleted background, then you can continue with Adobe Express to do other stuff like editing or applying filters and graphics, etc. Or you can go into a more professional and complete tool, which is Photoshop. And you'll find in the channel, you find video guides about Adobe Express and also a video course in Photoshop if you're interested. And there you go. So this is what you can do. You either proceed with Adobe Express or with Photoshop, or if you think it's good enough for you, and I think it's done a great job, you can just click on the little link here. Is going to download the image. The image is going to be downloaded. You can open the folder directly on the green button, and it's going to be downloaded usually in your downloads folder. That's where you're going to find it. So you can see I've done a couple of tests, and you can see if I right click and go in the image properties, it's telling me that this is a PNG. So it's confirmed that it doesn't have the background, and I can use it in another project like a photo montage or anything I need to use it for. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe and stay updated for more. If you want to support us, please join the channel as a supporter. Check out other video courses and video guides that we have in the channel. And that's it. See you in the next.